Yeah, that always super creepy.
Mm-hmm.
So this is it, huh?
This is it.
Welcome to another Adventure Series video. Back with Larkin, my brother Brenner. We have decided to start with lunch. Lunch seemed like the probable place to start today. We're gonna grab a burger, talk it over, but Larkin has discovered a, what year is it?
It's like a 48 or a 50. I can't remember.
But it's a 2R5 Studebaker pickup. It's in this old forgotten museum. We're gonna see if we can get in and get it running today. First, lunch. Lunch finished. I grabbed a cookie because I'm fat, and we're gonna head out and check out this truck and probably
Get this thing running.
do some irreversible damage to it. Who knows?
Produced between 1948 and 1953, the 2R5 was in many ways ahead of its time. From its sleek, lower stance to its outright lack of running boards, common on many other trucks of the era, Studebakers had many unique features that have now become commonplace on many modern trucks. The cargo beds were double-walled to protect the outer sheet metal from damage caused by shifting loads. The gas tank was mounted underneath the vehicle rather than behind the seat of the cab. The seat itself sat on an adjustable track, and the truck made use of tubular shock absorbers, all of which were quite unique for the time, but very commonplace on modern truck design.
We're here. Larkin is off grabbing a fuel can, but apparently the museum consists of like a church, Grange. I think it's even across the hall, across the way here. It's like all connected somehow. This is all the museums apparently. There's Larkin. Oh, the actual museum is right across here. That actually says museum there, but it also says that's a museum too. There. Sick. So you said something about like a secret room one of these has up above. Is it that one or is it, which one is it?
Yeah, it's there actually.
We have to check that out at some point.
Yeah, we will do that. It's a time capsule from like the late 40s, early 1950s.
Sick.
Pretty cool.
You're gonna bring gas like you're gonna torch the place?
That's right.
Okay.
I'll sit this around the corner so they don't get too suspicious.
And the key master, look at that.
Yeah. Nice.
Wild.
The meat lockers
Oh.
are right here. I can't even open this door. It's so heavy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not murder vibey at all.
Where they stored the meats.
Huh.
And then the slaughter room was right here.
Efficient. Yeah, nothing Hannibal Lecter about this at all. It's just wild. There it is. Oh, there it is. There's Doris.
This is a 1950s apartment, early 50s.
Heck yeah. It's a pretty big apartment, I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah.
The curio cabinet is creepy. Okay, well, that was fun. Now we're in an alleyway because apparently there's another building that's attached to it. Wait, is it this one or that one?
That's the barn.
Holy.
This one here.
Oh, they got like gas pumps back there too?
Yeah, they have all sorts of stuff here, man.
Hang on. It's just all kinds of stuff just hidden back and around here, isn't there? Huh. So this is it, huh?
This is it. They built this steel building around this old 1920s garage to kind of preserve it. It's mostly just used for storage now.
Oh, I see it. There it is. It's a little laden with stuff, isn't it?
Sure is. Long and forgotten about.
Oh, I see that.
All but given up on. No, it's Christmas tree green.
Well, at least we got this nice blanket to, you know, get filthy dirty.
It was stored. It was on.
It's gotta be a deal here.
in Malibu.
Oh, I still got the California plate on it. Cool.
Yeah. Yeah, after it got shipped down here, they barely
That-
did anything with it.
That does look 12 volt to me. They did convert it over, so that's a good sign.
Awesome.
Looks like you've had some mice up in there.
Not surprised.
Yeah. I don't think that corn came there organically.
Keep the dust off.
Yeah. Okay. No, hell, I think she got charged. Dome light working. How about that? I don't know how to tell if it's oh my god, it's tight. Hold on. Well, it had a light, but it don't. There's a starter button here. I'm just yeah, hang on. Yeah, I think. I mean, I'm not a 100% convinced here, but I think there's something that needs to be connected to that.
I am trapped.
You're trapped.
I am trapped. No.
You're permanent here. You're a fixture of the museum now. There you go.
Thanks. 15 years.
Selected a better group of 3 people to work on this. Like,
Weird looking go-karts.
yeah,
Tell you what.
we're doing great.
At least we had lunch.
Yeah, at least we had lunch. Yeah,
Oh, we got dinner. We got corn.
corn. Oh, we got the We're Back DVD or VHS. Oh, I loved this movie when we were kids.
Never even
Dude,
seen it.
We were so back.
we're so back. I think John Goodman's in it. Crazy. What? We got the Call of Juarez on PC. I'm never gonna get anything done in here because we got World Series Poker for PlayStation 2. How did this end up in here? We got Charlie Chaplin's Greatest Hit. We got Blocks. We got Do All Outdoors. We got a Nylent Blazer. Sick. And Lincoln Logs.
Garage sale stuff.
Yeah, this is someone's garage sale.
They have a garage sale annually to raise money for the museum, and this is just what's left over.
Okay, well, that makes sense.
Yeah.
See what you want? Something in the comment below. We will mail it to you.
2 hours later.
We have found our test light. Hey, it works. So it's charging. Okay, I give her a hi. I give it a bump.
See what happens.
See what happens.
Still got a little ether in there.
Probably.
Yeah. A little bit of ether down the hatch.
It's not gonna do anything. Oh dear. It did something. It just loaded it.
She is working.
That sounded like some horsepower to me.
She is working, bud.
That loaded it up pretty hard.
What is this driving position? What is going on?
How your knee position is, like how far up you have. There's the floor.
This is a normal truck.
Yeah,
You're
that's
on this thing. I mean, you are.
That's up on it there.
It is quite literally go-kart driving position.
Well, you can go tell this. You can get down there. Bam, bam, bam.
Oh yeah, there we go.
We're too autistic to be working on this stuff, you know.
Heel
what
toe
I mean?
I had too much Tylenol as a kid.
You just so what? The clutch is a starter? Okay. Well, hey, we got movement here. Try that. Try that again.
Out the door.
Yeah, put your foot in. I don't know. I'm just gonna stand to the side of it here.
How strong do you think the brakes are? Is this in neutral?
I think it's a neutral. I wiggled it.
And all wiggles. It's
Yeah, I know it all wiggled. Ow.
What are you talking about? I don't want to be liable for this. So there's up, down, middle, down. I don't know what third.
I believe that's the.
Do you want me to try it?
It's gonna go through the wall.
Well, if it jumps forward, don't do that. I don't think it's gonna take off because I don't think it's gonna start. Hey, it did something.
Yeah. Genius.
Gotta get the prop light on so you can see here. Woo. We have jerry rigged. We took off the line from the tank, put on a line to the pump and into our jerry can here. We sent Larkin on a mission to go get a better battery because we just can't get it to even spin the motor. Hopefully we can at least get it to try and draw fuel up into the bowl. So, but I mean, in all honesty, we're fairly worthless at this. I didn't realize how bad we were at this until we started playing around with it. Sir, hit the switch.
Much later.
You get down on the cord?
Sure did.
Boy, it like that.
It did.
It doesn't like what else I'm doing to it, but... Huh.
Basically.
Okay, well, I can get you that. There's one right behind you.
Flathead.
Oh, fuck! Well, we could crack the garage door a bit.
Hey, I offered earlier.
Yeah, here, just take the bowl apart.
Yeah, I think so. We'll find out, won't we?
I guess. I've never taken apart.
Carb. I've only taken apart go-kart ones. So
I took one apart one time, then never put it back together. And then took it to somebody else and had them do
I was
it.
gonna say,
And they're like, wow, dude. I'm gonna
Yep.
put on these probably really nasty gloves. 'Cause I
Yeah.
hate fuel on my hands.
I don't blame you.
Especially whoever's gonna be in here.
There's gonna be some fun stuff in this carb.
I almost brought my gloves. Oof. She's ready for a checkup.
You know, it's been nice though. We've taken this apart with like 2 tools.
Like I told you guys when you were asking me about tools, I'm like,
What?
a set of standard wrenches
What am I
and a
missing here?
screwdriver, maybe a hammer. This was back when they made cars that you could, service at home. They wanted you to service them at home.
I'm just breathing this in. Because that's enough to take it apart there.
What's on the back? Oh, there's one on the back right here.
Is there?
Yeah.
Here. Oh, we just opened it.
Tetanus.
I wonder if we were just basically running off the jet here.
I'm assuming the jet that runs down there is clogged. These.
Okay.
Nice.
It's not as gummed as I thought it'd be. To be honest.
How's this gas going? Hold up. Don't have to get you one of those.
Not really. I got it. Sit rep here. So we took the carb apart, we've cleaned it up, we put some gas in the bowl here. Why? Dude, what is with your town? It's so ghetto. Car alarms, revving Harleys, like, gee, many
I'm
Christmas.
sure anybody that lives in a town
Holy-
of 600 in the Midwest can relate.
Holy
It's every
meth
town,
hole.
man.
All right, what? Some gas in the float bowl, clean it up. We've made sure the actuators are working, so we're just gonna put it back on tap and try again.
Okay, we're gonna test this again with everything. I'm not gonna open the choke for a while. Whoa!
Mouse bits.
Whoa!
She's healthy.
She wouldn't idle down. Whoa! That ran.
Ready to go.
That was a NASCAR. Hang on here. Wow! Why did it go so high?
I think it has something to do with the adjustments we made in the car.
We made an NASCAR.
Hang on. I gotta get the key to turn back. That's kind of scared me. It's all the way here.
Here we go.
Oh yeah, the butterfly is stuck open.
Oh,
That would be why.
whoops.
She's a little stiff on the butterfly.
Yeah, it's really stiff.
Hey,
Yeah,
it ran.
it did run.
We did what we said. It ran. We can go home now.
We had a video proof.
Time to leave.
Time to leave. I've created the world's first 2-speed Studebaker. She's either wide open or nothing at all. And apparently the throttle cable's doing jack nothing.
It's just there for moral support.
We can't seem to get the butterfly to like open with the throttle, so that's the next problem.
Oh yeah, here we go. Wow. Well, it ran. I think it ran the fuel out of the bowl. Hop, 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 hop. I think we're running the fuel. That backfire through the carb?
Sure did.
Sounded like it.
Nice blue, solid.
Yeah. I say that whole system needs to be like rebuilt.
Yeah.
But it's running. Run. Yeah, we're out of fuel in the bowl.
Yeah.
So sit rep on the day. Did it run? Yes.
Yes.
Did it stay running? No. We think something's sticking in the carburetor, but really where it's at, there's not much more we can do there. I mean, no tools, no light, nothing. I think we need more parts, but hey, did it run? Yes, it did. So hopefully the museum will see this and be like, okay, we'll grant you some money to rebuild it properly, and we'll go from there. So I guess maybe you'll see a part 2 on this. Maybe we'll drag it out, maybe we'll get it running. But thanks for watching this episode. Catch you in the next one.